Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellow students, let me introduce myself. My name is Novilia Mandini with NPM 2241217 from Accounting Study Program. In this video, I will discussing about internal control system, one of the important parts of good corporate governance practice. In the business world, internal control is the main foundation for creating transparency, accountability, and operational efficiency. The internal control system is a process designed and implemented by management, the board of directors, and all personnel within the organization with the aim of providing adequate assurance regarding the achievement of the company's objective, both in the operational aspect, financial reporting, and compliance with applicable regulations. Internal control is not just about administrative procedure or mere supervision, but more than that. The system becomes a mechanism that integrates into the overall activities of the company. It helps prevent deviation, errors, and even potential fraud. The system also serves as a tool to ensure that all company activities align with the strategic direction, and the integrity values upheld by the company. One important aspect of an internal control system is the presence of a clear organizational structure. Each individual must have an understanding of their roles, responsibilities, and limits of authority. It is important to avoid overlapping tasks, abuse of authority, or actions that do not comply with the established standards. In this case, interdepartmental coordination becomes very important to ensure that the control process runs effectively. In the context of good corporate governance, internal control is not merely a series of administrative procedures. The internal control system is an integral process designed to provide adequate assurance regarding the achievement of organizational goals. These objectives include operational effectiveness and efficiency, the reliability of financial reports, and compliance with applicable regulations and policies. International controls serve as a tool to ensure that the company's activities run in accordance with management directive and established rules. The system serves as the foundation for preventing, detecting, and correcting errors, deviation, or potential fraud in the company's operational activities. Moreover, internal control also functions as a monitoring system capable of creating transparency and accountability. In practice, the system encompasses the entire organizational structure, policies, procedures, and interrelated operational activities to ensure that the company remains on a healthy and responsibility path. Effective internal control must be comprehensive and embedded in all parts of the organization, not just in the hands of one division or department. This means that all parties within the company are responsible for ensuring that this system runs smoothly from top management, the board of commissioners, to every employee at the operational level. Procedures so that every activity can be traced and monitored properly. The importance of oversight by internal audit in supporting the internal control system. Internal auditors are tasked with assessing whether the control system has been implemented effectively and providing recommendations for necessary improvements. However, the success of the system still heavily depends on the management's commitment to creating an organizational culture that upholds integrity, transparency, and accountability. In companies that optionally implement good corporate governance, the internal control system becomes an important pillar that maintains business continuity. Without this system, the company will be vulnerable to various forms of deviations ranging from inefficiency, financial losses, to reputational damage that ultimately leads to the loss of investor and public trust. In conclusion, we can see that internal control systems are not merely technical procedures, but rather part of a philosophy of responsible governance. It reflects the company's commitment to creating a healthy, transparent, and long-term sustainability-oriented work environment. And as a Arif Effendi stated, without a strong internal control system, the principle of good corporate governance will be difficult to implement in practice. So that's explained about internal control system. That's all for this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.